We don't know what happens. It's the way it is. It just happens. And no one can really explain it, not even professionals.
I was telling them that I had some depression problems as well, and all he did was just laugh and just told me to jump off a bridge.
Between the bullying, harassment, and all that, it all just kind of ties into wanting to feel accepted and having friends and stuff like that.
That's a problem too. The people who stand back and don't react and don't do something about it, they're worse.
I have personal experience with drug and not alcohol abuse, but drug abuse with depression.
I've always been this outgoing person, so I knew that I always had to like go and get help. But because I was so caged and confined, I was never allowed to go get help.
Before, I wasn't able to talk to anyone. Like, I wasn't even able to look people in the eye. I was kind of terrified of anyone who was different or around me. But now I can actually have a conversation.
And like with other things, like when people say mental health, a lot of people just think that they're freaks or they're crazies or they belong in a mental hospital. No, you're a normal person that just has problems that needs help. And if those problems don't get fixed, they just get worse and worse and worse.
It's very often difficult for a youth to identify themselves as having problems.
I would say go get help, even though I know it's hard. Even saying it is easy, but actually doing it is harder. I know it's hard, but just it's worth it.
Yeah, and if you see a friend, encourage them to go and talk to their doctor or their family or somebody. Go to the youth center, talk to one of their social workers there, and explain how you're feeling so that you don't have to feel like that anymore.